Okay, so you should copy the model out, post it in your new AutoCAD file, save it as 207-6-41. Overwrite the old one, save over it, make sure you have your own dimension style there. I know there's better ways to do this, but this way works for us, so this is what we're going to do. It works for our purpose. So now, once you get that done, positioned in here, we definitely want that facing up. That's the top view. The great part about this one is when we get in here, when we go to do this, we go to place this in our layout. We select the base view. So if we select this as a view here, this is where it gets weird. Is we could do this right here like this, and then our right side view is that one. Right click and enter. If you look, they're identical. So what we don't want is that to happen. So let's do this. So we're going to go back here. We're going to delete those. We'll go back to our model space and go over here to the front view. Go back to this, and we're going to rotate this. We'll rotate this around this way, 90 degrees. Oops, we got to change our UCS. So we got to UCS, change that to the front. Right there. Now when we rotate this, we'll rotate this way, and we'll rotate it 90 degrees that way. And there's a reason to do that, and I'll show you here in just a second. So we'll go back to this, and when we do our layout, go to layout, do our base view, comes in this way. This positions it so it's that way, and right click and enter, and this can be our right side view from there, right? And we can right click and click enter there, and we got that. We can also, if we wanted to, we could project a view maybe off of that one so it goes like this, right click and enter, so we can get that shape in there. Maybe go back in here and say that it's a half scale and put it up here in the upper right hand corner when we do that. Alright, this way we only need two views because that view would have been the same. So now we're ready to go in here and go to annotate, and there's only a few things we need to know. We're going to put a center line in here, center line on that. We'll do the center line between these things here, put those in place, that one and that one. I thought I did it already, but I missed it. We need to know diameters, so we're going to worry about what this outside diameter is here. We're going to put a diameter on this right here. We'll put that one there, and where this one's going to be a little different because this one has a through hole, so we'll put that one there, and we're going to change that text. So hit escape, double click on this, and that comes up. Just arrow over once, and then space once, and then in all caps type the word through, so we know that that hole goes all the way through. So now we've got this diameter covered, that diameter covered, and that diameter covered, so we don't have to worry about diameters over here because this is where those features are dominant. So we'll come over here and do a dimension that says this part right here is 1, and we want to know an overall on this. Our overall height on that right there is going to be alright, so some reason that's trying to mess that. I'm trying to do these align things, so I'm going to place that right there. I'll go right here and put that one right in the center. So that's where my overall is. So that's it. That's all you need to do for this one. It's time to save it, plot it, and go ahead and make the PDF file and submit it if you were doing that as your test.